Hey, what's going on, kings, queens, and everyone in between? Welcome. On today's video, we're going to talk about what's the difference between deep cleaning your blinds and maintaining your blinds. And I'm going to explain why and how often you should be actually dusting and cleaning your blinds. So with that being said, welcome. My name is Amber Swanson. On this channel, we talk a lot about tips and tricks to help you save time and money. I am a professional house cleaner. I've been cleaning for 12 years, and I want to share with you all my secrets to help you save time and money from my mistakes. So if you want to learn more, consider subscribing. So the difference between a maintenance cleaning and a deep cleaning is this: they are completely separate and they are completely different, and they take a certain amount of time to do depending on the amount of blinds that you have. So those are a lot of things to take into consideration. With your deep cleaning, it is what it sounds like. You're thoroughly cleaning and getting rid of all the gunk, grime, and debris. The question is, how often, Amber, should I be deep cleaning my blinds? And honestly, it all comes down to those locations, but I would recommend that you at least deep clean your blinds once a year. Twice a year if you do a lot of cooking or if you keep your windows open often. That's what I would recommend. Now, to deep clean your blinds, you want to make sure that you have these three items, and there'll be more information in the description below on how to use them and the importance of using them. And so with maintenance cleaning is exactly what it sounds like. We're going to maintain your blinds after you've deep cleaned them. And that just means dusting. Keeping up with dusting your blinds is the most important thing because it helps you to prevent having to deep clean your blinds often. And trust me, nobody wants to make time to deep clean, so maintaining it is important. And you want to use these tools right here. I recommend the Swiffer Duster 360. You can use your blind wand extension, and this just gets 2 blinds at a time. And your vacuum attachment, as long as it is clean and free of any debris or anything. Make sure you get all that crap off and use the vacuum attachment. Now, you want to make sure that you are dusting your blinds at least once a month, but up to 3 months is the maximum of how long it should go. So every 3 months, you should be dusting your blinds to prevent having to do a deep clean. Now, I'm going to share this little secret with you. The lazy way to keep up with dusting your blinds is just using either the Swiffer duster or the vacuum attachment. That is the difference between a maintenance clean and deep clean of your blinds. I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video, and if you did, go ahead and like and share this video with someone else who could definitely get value out of it too. So in the meantime, I'll check you out on the next video. Hey, so stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.